How you doing? So, I'm Big D, and what I want to talk to you about today, if someone has told you in the past that you cannot adjust your headlights on a newer modern vehicle. Well, this is a 2023 Kia Sportage. When you go into the engine bay and go to the adjustments, make sure before you adjust anything that you check with your local DOT or state DOT to make sure you're under compliant with your adjustments that you make. So this is going to be the driver's side. And if you look right here, it's kind of a circle. A lot of vehicles are the same way. You're going to I use a longer Phillips screwdriver. And you don't need that long of a screwdriver, but that's what I like to use. And you're going to turn clockwise to have the height of the light come up. So the aim is going to be higher by going clockwise, and it'll drop down counterclockwise. You can do that on both that side and also this side. Same thing, clockwise for raising, counterclockwise for lowering. I hope this helps. If you have any ideas of something that you might want to know in the future, like working on a metal lathe. I'm working on a couple of videos now. If you're interested in that, or a tire balancer, you have any issues with your tire balancer or a tire machine to mount and dismount tires, leave a message in the comment. Let me know what you're interested in. Have a great day. God bless.